Let's start our detailed examination of the Welsh Terrier by looking at the head. The entire head appears rectangular when viewed from any angle. You should get an impression of strength and power. There is a slight stop. The back skull and foreface are of equal length and form parallel planes when seen in profile, according to the standard. The skull is flat between the ears, and there are no wrinkles between the ears. The cheeks are flat and clean, with no bulging. You can see how this dog's head is in keeping with the substance and sturdiness of the breed. This dog's head, on the other hand, is cheeky, and the skull is too wide, which detracts from the smooth, rectangular appearance. And this dog has a head that is too narrow and fine. Skillful grooming may hide these faults, so be sure to check with your hands, like this. Here's an example of a good, strong bitch head. Notice that the length of the back skull appears to be equal to the width of the back skull in a properly proportioned head. Notice, too, how the flat cheeks contribute to the rectangular appearance of the head. The Welsh Terrier's muzzle is 1/2 the length of the entire head, measured from tip of nose to occiput. This dog's muzzle is of proper length measured from the slight stop to the nose and is properly squared off. Notice how the furnishings on the muzzle are trimmed to complete, but not exaggerate, the rectangular outline as called for in the standard. The excessive furnishings seen on this muzzle create a curved appearance. This dog's muzzle appears snipey, but this may be due to the lack of furnishing on the muzzle. Here's an example of correct muzzle proportion, shape, and trim. Again, judges should use their hands to determine what is really beneath the furnishings. The nose is black and squared off, and lips are black and tight. The teeth are large and strong, and meet in a scissors bite like this. Although a scissors bite is preferred, a level bite is acceptable. Either bite must have complete dentition. The jaws are powerful and vice-like. There is a distinct Welsh Terrier expression. It comes in part from the somewhat broad back skull and properly placed eyes. Eyes are small and almond-shaped, as seen here, and are placed fairly far apart. They are dark brown in color. The small size, almond shape, wide placement, and dark color are crucial to the correct Welsh expression. This dog's eyes appear to be too large and round. Sometimes this is a false impression created by black outlines around each eye. Judges should be aware of this. Proper ears are another critical component of the correct Welsh Terrier expression. Ears are V-shaped, small, but not too thin. Notice how the fold is just above the top line of the skull, as specified in the standard. They are carried forward, close to the cheek. The tips fall to or toward the outside corners of the eyes as the dog is at rest, moving slightly up and forward when at attention. These ears clearly break too far above the top of the skull, detracting from the overall expression. Here again is the essential Welsh Terrier expression. This Welshman seems interested in what's going on around him and how the most fun can be gotten out of it.